gems, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your press-on nails last for 3 weeks. If you follow these steps, I promise you your nails are not going to pop off. Stay tuned. Okay gems, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is wash your hands with some antibacterial soap. You want to make sure your hands are nice and clean. So for today's tutorial I'm going to be using these press-on nails by LA Colors. I bought these from Dollar Tree and they were only $1.25, so I figured why not. Okay, then you want to start picking out your nails. Make sure they fully cover your nail. Make sure they're the right size. Okay, now go in with some rubbing alcohol on a cotton pad or a piece of napkin. And this is very important because our nails have natural oils, and if you just apply press-on nails without prepping it, it's literally going to pop off in 2 minutes. So after you rub each nail with the alcohol, you got to go in with the cuticle pusher. Basically, when you use the cuticle pusher, you're pushing back on the living skin, and you want to make sure you're pushing down on the cuticle and not the eponychium. A lot of people don't know the difference, so I'll explain that later in another video sometime. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys up closely as to where the cuticle sits. It's basically invisible. It sits on top of the lunula, which is that white moon shape. While you want to push back your cuticles when they grow longer and then cut off the dead skin that's hanging, you never want to cut the eponychium. And I haven't given myself a manicure in a long time, so you're going to see a lot of dead skin. Sometimes I get so busy and I don't have time to do my nails, but I recommend giving yourself a manicure once a week. This tool is out of my nail kit. I don't know what this tool is called, but this is the one I'm using next. And I'm not scraping too hard. I'm just going over it really lightly. And you can already see some of the dead skin coming up. So disgusting. Now we're going to go ahead and use our cuticle remover. Blue Cross is my favorite cuticle remover. I've been using it for years. But before you use it, there are some things you need to know. Okay, so I'm about to get started with using this cuticle remover. I'm just putting it in a little cup. And then I'm going to saturate my Q-tip with it and go over my cuticles. You want to saturate your Q-tip in the solution and then apply the liquid on the nail plate. Okay, so I did this twice, and you can go over it again if you want to. And I'm doing this to only one hand because it's easier that way. Okay, and you want to let that sit for 2 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and neutralize it. I'm just going to spray with water, or you could just wash your hand. And you don't want to miss this step because it will irritate your skin. Now it's about to get gross. Look at all this dead skin, you guys. You see what I'm saying? This is all the dead skin that was sitting on top of my nail plate. Like I said, if you get a manicure once a week, you're going to see a big improvement. Close look at it. Look at all that dead skin. Yeah, I promise you, I didn't know that I had this much dead skin on my nails. Okay, so now we're going in our corners with a nail file. You want to make sure you file your corners, you guys. You don't want your nails sticking out of the press-ons on the side. You want to make sure your nails are neatly filed, especially if you have wide fingernails like me. You really gotta go ahead and file those. I don't know why my fingernails are so wide. I hate my fingernails. And I'm never going back to the nail shop. You guys, at first I didn't prep my nails like this. I used to just put my press-ons. I didn't like press-ons because they always came off. But now that I prep my nails this way, I never have to go to the nail shop ever again. As you see, I'm clipping my nails down. It's important because if your nails are long underneath the press-ons, they will come off. So now I'm just taking a towel and wiping off the dead skin. Now this part you want to be careful, because if you still have some hanging dead skin left, you want to go in with a cuticle clipper. Okay, this step will cost you some blood if you don't do it properly. So on my nails, I'm not going in hard with those nippers. You want to take your nippers and lay them against the fold of the skin. Then you want to pinch the cuticle and let go. Don't yank at the cuticle with your nipper, because this is going to pull at the eponychium and it's going to cause hangnails or irritation. And this step is very important. You want to file before you apply the nail glue. So you want to create a rough surface for the nail glue to stick to. I noticed I still had some cuticles that was hanging and I need to clip, because my nails are just so raggy. Basically, I'm just repeating the same steps on the other hand. Alright, in the moment we've been waiting for, we're about to put these nails on. So I'm just making sure these are the right sizes. And this glue right here, y'all, the Nailene Ultra Quick. Take a screenshot of this. This is the best nail glue for you, okay? So this is the one that I use. And then when you press down on the nail, you want to hold it for 15 to 30 seconds just to make sure it's on there. And you don't need a lot of glue. You just need one bead of glue. And then you want to take the nozzle and just spread the glue around. And this is the best glue ever, you guys. Now the type of glue you use is very important. And trust me, I use every type of glue for my nails, and Nailene is the best one, hands down. Okay, you guys, I kind of messed up, so if you see air pockets, you can always go around the corner with the glue and then wipe around the nail with a Q-tip and then just press down. I must have didn't put enough glue on that one. But yeah, they're nice and sturdy. And this should last me for about 2 weeks. Now I'm going in with some cuticle oil. And we are all done, you guys. Look how nice. Yes. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Bye, Jim.